Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to cancel your Acorns subscription. Now, this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you want to go ahead and cancel your Acorn subscription. How do you actually go ahead about doing so? Now, this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. Now, in order to do this, what you're first going to do is log onto Acorns. Next, click on the upper right hand corner, your profile icon. Then click on settings. Now from here, you want to scroll all the way down to where it says my subscription and click on my subscription. Next, scroll down and towards the bottom, you're going to be able to see manage subscription. Go ahead and click on cancel subscription, and this is going to cancel your subscription with the Acorns app. But there you have it, guys. That right there is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and cancel your subscription with the Acorns app. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.